Hello! The applications I am going to explain in this video are augmented reality translation applications. This means that they recognize printed words using their optical character recognition capabilities through the camera, and they instantly translate these words into the desired language. However, these applications do not work with no internet. But they still can be very handy if you were, for example, at a restaurant or a cafe in a foreign country and were struggling in knowing what was on the menu. Or even if you were reading a book and there was a part in a foreign language and you couldn't understand what it meant. I will be referring to this technology in the video as word lens technology because the name of one of the first applications of this kind is word lens, which I will be explaining further on in the end of this video. I will start by explaining an application on iPhone, then on Android, and finally I will show you this technology on Google Translate application. So let's begin. I'll show you the app that supports this technology on iPhone. You can find this app free in the Apple Store. It's called Polyglocam. It's very simple. There's no options whatsoever. You only have to choose the source and target languages. As you can see, the source languages are only English and Spanish, while there are many choices for the target language. And it's simple as that. You can see that it started to translate immediately. However, you can see that here it translated train to the transportation, the transportation, while here they mean how to make yourself or how to it's the action, not the transportation, so it's not that accurate. However, it might be helpful in some cases. Now I will show you the application of word lens technology that is on Android. You can find this app free on Play Store. As you can see, it is the one in the right corner. It is called Camera Translator, and this is how it looks. When you first open the app, you'll find three options. The option on the left allows you to choose the languages, the source language and the target language, the language that you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. As you can see, there are a lot of languages, but I've chosen what I want, from English to Arabic. Also, in the middle, the option in the middle allows you to use a flash of the camera. If it's dark, if the room is dark or the text has a dark background, you can use it to make it clearer. And as for the option on the right, it has the same icon of the application. However, it has the word Pro on it, which means that this is the version of the app that is developed and it has developed features, and if you want it, you have to buy it. Also, this app is very simple to use, and these are the only options, and you won't face any difficulties. First of all, you have to put the word inside the rectangle. Maximizing, تعظيم, good. Your, الخاص بك, yes. And let's try from here. Remember, تذكر, yes. The only drawback of this app is that it does not show you the sentence as a whole. It only translates the words as the words that you point at. However, the translation is somewhat accurate, so you can rely on it. Now I'll explain this technology in Google Translation application. Well, this technology actually first started as an individual application, which was called WordLens. But at that time, you had to buy the application in order to have it. So Google thought of integrating it within Google Translation, and that's actually what they did, which is a very great idea and helpful for a lot of translators and also regular people. Okay, first you have to go to your Google Translation application. And for this to work, you have to have the latest version of Google Translation, because in the earlier versions, it does not have this feature. And then go to the camera option, click on the camera option. What's unfortunate about this feature is that it does not support the Arabic language yet. However, for now I'll show you what it's like for the other languages. So you can see I have this book in front of me. It's so quick and it's so fast in identifying the words. And it translates word to word, even in small, but you have to be steady. And okay, now as for the Arabic, I'll show you what you can do. Choose the Arabic language and the source language, whatever language you want, and click again on the camera option. As you've seen, there is a scan button or option on the right, and there's another option on the left, which is import, which means that you can import any image or picture that you've already taken and translate it. Here, for the Arabic to work, you have to scan the text you want. And then, as it says, use your finger to highlight the text. And there you go. You have the translation immediately. Thank you for watching. I hope everything was clear.